Welcome to this special presentation. You are about to watch Jeom Asaah's MBOA FLIX video. Stay tuned for the official app trailer.
Okay, this is my MBOA FLIX application. I'm going to open it right now. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is my landing page where you see the about us, the fashion, music, food, touristic site, languages, and you have the different cards which the MBOA FLIX is representing. In general, my MBOA application is just to showcase the nature of Cameroon, show it a different culture, fashion, music. Like it's a form of a touristic site where people can come in, want to know more about Cameroon, or if there's somebody who is wanted to dive deeper into the nature of the country, he can come to this app and look for what he's looking for. So by default, anybody who comes to the app cannot log in directly. No matter what you click on this landing page, you cannot go directly into it. As you can see, the pop-up message says this is our music, please, you need to log in to access the page. So before you access the page, you need to log in, or either you create an account into the MBOA FLIX app. So once you click on OK, you click on the OK button, it brings you directly to the login page. This is my login page where you insert your username and password. That's if you already have a MBOA FLIX account. If you don't have one, you come to the register button and click on the register button where you have this page which says loading your MBOA FLIX, and finally the registration page appears and you can see the animation behind. Yeah, really cool. And now if then you remember you have an account and you want to log in, you can come back and click on login and it will take you directly to your login page. So if in case your credentials are wrong, for example, I'm going to put this stuff there, and you click on login, it will say invalid username and password, and once you click on OK, it redirects you back to the login page. Same thing goes for the registration page. Once you go into the registration page and you try to log in with a user who already exists, it's going to give you an error. It's going to give you an error. Yeah, it's going to tell you username already exists, so you have to change your credentials. So I'm going to go back to the login screen, and inside my login screen I'm going to just simply log in with this user who is already logged in, and you see login successful, and it tells you welcome to Cameroon. Welcome to Cameroon. Now you have access to all the information which is on this page. So I can come to, let's say, the fashion. Now you see I'm gonna explain only one card, and it's the same thing which is going to flow for all. So when you come to the, let's say, for the fashion page, you have this nice graph which appears here, which shows me all the number of times which these cards have been clicked. It also shows you the number of, it also shows you what people are interested in. Yeah, the higher the bar graph, the higher it shows you what people are interested in. There's also this icon. I use in my hover effect. On the different cards, you see the icon changes on each of these hover effects. Wow, really quite good and interesting. And if you can come here, you can see we went to the styles in Cameroon, and you can choose. You can see the different styles which Cameroon have. Yeah, these are not actually all, but these are the majority and really captivating styles. And let me see, I'm gonna click on this custom clothing design. Once you click on it, it comes to this is about Kaba. Yeah, designing Kaba. And once it goes to the designing Kaba, the description about the Kaba in Cameroon begins to appear on the page. As you can see, begins to appear it goes in a very stylish manner. So for the sake of time, I'm gonna pause the video and we'll continue when the text is done. So this is it, the complete information about the Kaaba in Cameroon. So if you're done reading, you just simply click on the back button and it takes you back to the home page where it says welcome to Cameroon, and you can choose, maybe you want to look at the delicious meals in Cameroon, maybe I want to look at the grill like a pro, and I'll click on OK, and you see that information which appears there. So that's simply it about my MBOA FLIX apps. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dzernyuy Christel and this is my MBOA application built using Python. This application is meant to teach users about the Cameroonian culture, my country's culture. First, you sign up, and after signing up, you'll be redirected to the login page, to the waiting page. After signing up, you'll be redirected to the waiting page, and from there you wait, of course. Then you'll be directed to the login page. From there you'll be directed to the login page. We just have to wait. There, you sign up. You sign in now using your credentials, your username and password. And it tells you welcome to the home page. From here now you can get to, and from here you can click on any card to interact and learn more about my country's culture. Click gathering page, for example. You see it talks about navigating the Fundi market, Bamenda main market, Marché de Fleurs in Douala. If you click the Fundi market, it tells you that the Fundi market is one of the largest traditional markets in Yaoundé. Thousands of traders, customers visit daily, fresh vegetables, fruit, just to get them. You can click the back button to get back home. Here you can also see, it takes you down. You can go to different card celebration sound. Here we can see Makusa dance, learning BQC rhythms, traditional instruments, community festivals. All of them, they all talk about the culture of my Makusa. Is one of the Cameroonian's most internationally recognized musicians. It originated from Douala, of course. Just click the back page, the back button to get back. Okay, you have dressed as one. Of course, talking about dressing, you have the Tongo dressing, which is of course originated among the grass-fed kingdoms of the northwest and was historically reserved for royalty and respected community leaders. You have Njangi cycle. Njangi cycle is one of the most common things here in our country. It is done where individuals come together, they decide to save money, and it is passed to each individual during, it could be monthly or weekly. And lastly you have the food we share. Excuse me. And lastly you have the food we share. Here you have different menus. You can have meals that are consumed during festivals. You have traditional meals that are consumed back at home. You have fresh ingredients that we have here, and you have street foods, of course, favorite. You have evening street foods, the favorite part of urban life here in Cameroon. Popular choices include soya, roasted fish, roasted plantains, puff-puff, beans, etc. click the back home page, and that is it. Thank you. In conclusion, MBOA Road combines cultural education with interactive learning and simple data analytics. Thank you for watching my presentation.
What if everything about Cameroon's rich culture lived in one beautiful experience?
Introducing MBOA Route, a digital journey into the heart of Cameroon.
Learn the stories behind the places where communities meet.
Listen to the rhythms that unite generations.
Discover the flavors that bring families together. Every thread tells a story.
Where community becomes strength.
Interactive learning. Beautiful design. Real cultural exploration.
Cameroon lives here. Download MBOA Route today.
You are about to watch NDI Desmond Nsah's MBOA FLIX app demonstration video and app trailer. Brace yourself.
Take you through how this app was developed. Yes, just follow me and you will see how this app was being developed. So this is it. If you now scroll down, you are going to check, you are going to see more about the code. Here we have the menu content. There is the menu contents. We have the home. That's simply the menu options where we have the home, we have the about us, culture, movies, dishes, and then go to the next. We have def, show menu pop-up. These ones are menu pop-up. Yeah, these are menu pop-up. These are the codes to insert the menu pop-ups in your code. Yes. See the first one, we have the title content, which is the menu content, menu underscore key. We have the pop-up top level parent. We have the title, and then we have the geometry. The geometry is simply the dimension. Yes, we have the geometry. The geometry is 540 by 340. We have this app we use 100% Python programming in creating or developing this resizable to resize the pop-up. We have here is false. Then we go to the next thing. So generally these are the codes that we use, and these are the codes that we use to create this. And remember also this is info. This info here is, let me show you where this comes from. Let us run the app. So you come here, you start, you clear, come and you run it. We're running, go now to the VNC. Click on VNC, it's still loading. It's going to take some time. So we click on VNC, it's going to take you now to this home screen. Here is the home screen. You click on the first one, it's the cultures. Cameroon's rich culture. The first one we have Northwest region, Togo dance. The second we have center, Gondo dance. When you click on this, it's going to take you to this, which is the sign up page. Here, this is the sign up page. You can either choose to create an account, or if you already have an account, you can say already have an account. So I already have an account, so I'll just take already have an account and click on it. Now I have an account. It's going to take you to this interface. This will show that I already have an account, so you are going to sign in. Click. For example, I already have an account. I'm going to write this one. Come on, click here. I'm going to write this one. Input my credentials. There's Desmond and my password. And I'm done into my password. Since I already have an account, I'll just take login. Notice that when you log in, it's going to take you back to the home page. Yes, it's going to take you back to the home page where you can choose any option of your choice. any of these. You can choose even Northwest, Center, Region, Littoral, Far North. Or you come to trending in Cameroon, you choose. We go to Cameroonian movies or go to traditional dishes, you choose any of them. So let us check traditional dishes. So click on traditional dishes. So when I click, it takes you directly to this interface where we have the traditional dishes. These are the traditional dishes. These are just some examples of traditional dishes in Cameroon. We have the first one, we have poulet DJ with fufu. We have this one, ndole with boiling plantains. We have the next, we have koki with corn fufu. So this is it. You see everything is here, and this is the back button. If I'm done from this interface, I just look on the back. It's going to take me back to the home page where I'm going to choose a different option. So on the home page, I can decide and I select this center. Yes, I can click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to take me to an interface. Yes, it's going to take me to this interface. Yes, that is it for the center region. You see the food for the center region. It is, we have traditional meals. For example, we have number 8 put baton de manioc. And the next one we have Betsy, which is the traditional way. If you click on this one, for example, it's going to show you the information about that. And then now we have, this is the back button and this is the home button. If you want to go back to the home page, you click on this. And you go back so that I can choose a different option, you just click on the back button. So I click on the back button, it is going to bring me back to this page where you can choose any option of your choice. For example, if I want to take music because see, I just click on it. I click on it. Click on music is going to give me information about the Bikosi music in the center region. So I want to go back to the home screen. I just click on home. Click on home. So that is it for the app. This is the home screen. Will bring you back to the home screen. Bring you back to the home screen. Yeah, you see all the information in the home screen are still there, and all the buttons are still clickable. If you click on any of this card you are seeing here, any of the card is clickable. If you come to Cameroonian movies, you click, it is going to give you an option. So after launching your app, completing with your app, after the conclusion, you now go to the publishing part. You go back to your main where your codes are. Now I'm going to publish this app.
Welcome to MBOA FLIX. Discover the richness of Cameroonian culture, epic movies, and traditional dishes, all in one place.
Our stories aren't just told.
Every thread holds a story. Discover the rich culture of Cameroon like never before.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. I'm presenting my final MBOA FLIX application. As you can see here, this is the landing page. I would have done the French and English version, but unfortunately due to time constraint, I was not able to complete. But with time, I will complete the application. So this is the landing page. I was inspired by the Cameroon culture, which is made up of the 10 regions and different tribes. So if you click here, you will directly go to the login. But before that, you have to create an account. So this is already the login page, but let me just go backward. Okay. Here you can enter your name. Let me just see Raph here. Raphael. And the password, so I'll just say 1, 2, 3, 4. And here I'll just put 1, 2, 3. When I will try to validate, it is going to show that the password does not correspond. So I'll have to retype the password. Then if it happens that I leave a field without being filled, mot de passe doit contenir au moins 6 caractères. Okay, a valid password must have at least 6 characters. So 5, 6, 5, 6. Veuillez remplir tous les champs. So it shows that I'll have to fill everything before it's able to validate. Let me just go to my database. Let's make sure that the user is not already in the system. So as you can see, I decided to include the different fields name so that you say full name, you just see everything. You can see this is the user, this another user. So the user is not in the system already. So when I click here, inscription réussie. Now, if I come here, we're going to see this is the user that I just added with the password. So here now I can log in. Let me just use a wrong password and see what will happen. Nom d'utilisateur ou mot de passe incorrect. Now let me use a valid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is the home page after you sign in and you log in. So you click on the Adamawa, you can see the statistics. If I come here, you will see this is it. The statistic which is appearing here. You will see the hand curve, it has 1, the other one has 1. So now I will decide, okay, I come here, you will see this reflects the Cameroon culture. So when I click here, welcome to Adamawa page, okay. Now we have the story of the Adamawa. So this is the final MBOA FLIX application that I was able to build. And that is how the functionality goes across to the other regions. And thank you very much for what I have learned, because this is I can say a new way to build applications. So I'm very happy for this, and thank you very much. I just showed just one step of the application, how it's functioning. So that's how the same functionality goes across the other regions. Thank you very much.
There comes a day when home feels impossibly far.
Mon frère, you don't need a plane ticket. You need MBOA FLIX.
Not just movies, but the soul of Cameroon.
One account, endless memories. 10 regions, thousands of stories. One Cameroon.
That's our village.
Sometimes, home isn't a place. It's a feeling. From the mountains to the sea. From tradition to tomorrow.
Built with Python. Powered by artificial intelligence. inspired by Cameroon.
No matter where life takes you, home